Hi, thank you for watching this video on how I replace a wheel arch liner on a Toyota Alphard. So this is part of a series of videos I've done on this channel, so please subscribe. So that's a wheel arch liner, and I've bought this from Toyota. Came in at about £72 all in, and there was also an additional £70 for the clips, which we'll talk about a little bit later. As you can gather, I didn't buy the clips because I could get them on eBay and AliExpress a lot cheaper than from the Toyota garage. So let's crack on, and I'll just show you how I did this. Okay, so the wheel arch liner goes in there. You can see the old one had ripped off, and this is because I wasn't timely with my repairs. So I've had to wash that arch of all the mud, etc., and just check to see if there's any rust which had developed. So these are the clips that I've purchased from AliExpress. Just got a whole bunch of them, and you can see these ones are from eBay. And they're just the square clips for Toyota and Lexus, and they will fit into the square apertures, and you'll see them on the metalwork. And I'll just show you them just now. There you go. There's one. There's the second one, and that's what they clip into. And they clip perfectly in there, nice and easy. All you got to do is line up your trim and push them in. Okay, taking them out is quite difficult, but you're not going to be taking them out because you're going to get it right first time. Okay, so what we do is we place the wheel arch liner in there, and we work round. Some of the holes are round, and for them you'll use round or like peg clips, which you'll just push in again. This hole at the top is a bit of an awkward one because it's only 3 millimeters in diameter, and that means that it's really hard to find a clip that will fit that size. So what I did was I used my drill and enlarged it to 6 millimeters, which allowed me to use a regular round hole clips in. Now up front you will see there's more clips, and these will clip onto the bumper when the bumper goes back onto the vehicle. There's a video on how to remove the bumper as well. So there we go, and in here you can see that the 10 millimeter bolt goes through there, which secures the bumper and the trim. Now when the trade liner ripped, it was because there was movement between this section, and the bumper. Okay, now when that happens, it's going to basically rip your liners or some other bit of trim as well, possibly damage your bumper, because the two wheel arch liners, the under tray and the bumper, should all act as one, connected tightly to the subframe. So you will see that everything here has to be secure. So don't go skimping on one aspect and just securing it. It has to be all done together in one go. Now you'll notice on the other side where I've not secured it properly, that bit's fall out. That's going to be secured with fiberglass and resin. And on the wheel arch liner, I should have paid another £70 and got this, because this is completely knackered, and therefore it's much more difficult to maintain that level of rigidity. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed that.